Hi, it's Mr. Baumgarten here with a quick video to look at the idea of nested loops, or put another way, having a loop inside a loop. This is an issue that frequently causes disconcertation for beginner programmers, and this is inspired by Mr. Lau's tweet that you can see happening on screen with the animation showing hours and minutes iterating inside each hour. And it's a good real-world example of one loop happening inside another loop. So if I wanted to code this up into Python, my outer loop would be hours and my inner loop would be minutes. So I could say for hour in the range of 24, because the hours of a day would start from 0 for midnight and run through until 23 hours and 59 minutes. So range of 24 hours from 0 to 23. And then for, so let's just quickly see that this works as we would expect. Okay, so the hours of a day. And I'm just going to import the time library and put in just a brief little delay here. So we can just put time.sleep, and I'll just make this 1 second for now. Once I introduce the minutes, I'll probably have to slow it down. So we can see we started off at 0 hours for just past midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and so on. All right, we've just passed noon, and this is going to go up until 23 hours, representing 11 p.m. in the evening, and then this loop is going to stop. And we know, being used to the way that time and clocks work, that inside each of these, minutes also starts off as 00 and runs all the way through till 59, and then the next hour will increment. And so that is, our minutes are incrementing from 0 through to 59 without the hour changing. And then once we hit the 59, we cycle on and let the hour clock over. So how would I do that? I could say here for minute in range, again, I'm going to say the range of 60 for giving me the values from 0 to 59. And this time I'm going to indent my hour and my print statement and my time sleep so that they happen on this inner loop. And I will just add on here a little bit of a, let's put on a colon to separate, and we'll put in the word minute. And so now if I run this, this is going to crash because we are printing integers mixed with strings. So I might even just turn this into an F string. Like that. Ideally we want to format it so that we get the double zeros. And you can see that my minute is now running from 0 through to 59. I'm going to speed this up because otherwise we're going to be here all day, and this is supposed to be a quick take video, so I might just make it 0.2 of a second representing each minute, and you'll see that our minutes will run from 0 through to 59, and then we'll clock over to the next hour and begin the inner process again. And this will keep on going until we hit 23 hours and 59 minutes. So we have an inner loop that is cycling through from 0 through to 59, and then once we finish the inner loop, we'll come back out to the outer loop, increment that for the next value, and then come back inside and re-execute the inner loop again. And this is pretty well what nested loops do. If I shorten the time span again, and let's just let this thing run through really quickly. So every time the inner loop finishes, we will increment the outer loop once, and then once the outer loop finishes altogether, we will have completed the entire process. I might even just get rid of the time sleep altogether and let this thing race through as quick as it can. And there we go, we get to our 23 hours 59 minutes and the entire process is done. So a quick little example showing using a real world scenario of how we can run one loop inside another loop, and it makes intuitive sense. This is Mr. Baumgarten signing out.